Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel for sleep. Tonight we find ourselves in a place of quiet contemplation, an old, abandoned chapel standing sentinel on a forgotten hill. Imagine the moonlight filtering through the tall, arched windows, painting silver patterns on the dusty stone floor. The air is still and cool, carrying the faint scent of old wood, candle wax, and time itself. This is a place of peace, a sanctuary from the bustling world outside, and tonight it is our lecture hall for the art of sleep. As you settle in, let your body begin to release the tensions of the day. Feel the weight of your head resting comfortably. Allow your shoulders to drop, releasing the burdens they have carried. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs with the calm, serene air of this chapel. And as you exhale, let go of any lingering thoughts, worries, or distractions. Imagine them drifting away like motes of dust dancing in the moonlight, leaving you with a sense of clarity and stillness. Tonight, our lecture isn't about complex theories or scientific jargon. It's about reconnecting with a natural, fundamental part of our being: rest. In our fast-paced world, we often treat sleep as a luxury or an inconvenience, something to be conquered or shortened. But here, in the quiet solitude of this old chapel, we will remember that sleep is a sacred ritual, a time for our bodies and minds to heal, to restore, and to dream. It is a gift we give ourselves. Let's begin by focusing on our breath. The breath is our anchor, the steady rhythm that guides us into tranquility. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each inhalation and exhalation. There's no need to force it or change it. Just observe. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling the cool air enter. Hold it for just a moment, a pause in time, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing the air completely. Feel the subtle shift in your body as you do this, a softening, a letting go. Imagine the pews in this chapel, worn smooth by generations of visitors seeking solace. They stand in silent rows, holding the stories and prayers of the past. Just as these pews have supported others, allow your bed, your chair, or whatever surface you are on to fully support you now. Trust it completely. Let go of the need to hold yourself up. Surrender your weight to gravity. Feel the support beneath you. Solid and unwavering. You are safe. You are held. Let's turn our attention to the physical body, starting from the tips of your toes. Bring your awareness to your feet. Acknowledge any sensations you feel there, perhaps a warmth, a coolness, or a slight tingling. Now imagine a wave of gentle relaxation, washing over them, soothing every muscle, every bone. This wave of calm moves upward, into your ankles, releasing any stiffness. It flows into your calves and shins, melting away any tightness. Continue this journey up through your knees and into your thighs. Your legs, which have carried you through the day, can now rest completely. They feel heavy, warm, and deeply relaxed. This wave of tranquility now moves into your hips and lower back, an area where we often hold a great deal of stress. Allow these powerful muscles to soften and release. With each breath out, let go a little more. Feel the tension dissolving, replaced by a feeling of ease and comfort. The wave continues its journey up your spine, vertebra by vertebra, soothing each one as it passes. Your entire back is now relaxed, resting comfortably against the surface beneath you. Your stomach and chest soften. The rhythm of your heart is slow and steady, a gentle drumbeat in the quiet of the night. Now, bring your awareness to your hands. Perhaps they're resting at your sides or on your lap. Notice the intricate network of bones and muscles. Let a feeling of warmth and heaviness spread from your palms to your fingertips. This feeling of release travels up into your wrists, your forearms, and your upper arms. Finally, allow your shoulders to drop even further, releasing any final traces of tension. Your arms feel heavy, limp, and completely at rest. The wave of relaxation now flows up into your neck and throat. Let these muscles go. Allow your head to feel heavy and fully supported. Now let's focus on the muscles of your face. We often hold unconscious tension here. Relax your jaw, letting your teeth part slightly. Soften your cheeks and your mouth. Allow your tongue to rest gently. Smooth out the space between your eyebrows. Relax the tiny muscles around your eyes. Let your eyelids rest lightly without any effort. Finally, relax your forehead and your scalp. Your entire body, from the tips of your toes to the crown of your head, is now in a state of profound relaxation. As your body rests, let's allow the mind to wander through this serene chapel. Picture the high, vaulted ceiling where shadows gather in the rafters. Perhaps you can see the faint outline of a forgotten fresco, its colors muted by time. Imagine the stillness of the altar, draped in a simple cloth. A single, unlit candle stands in a brass holder, waiting. This place holds a deep, resonant silence. It's not an empty silence, but one filled with peace, history, and a sense of the sacred. Listen closely. In the absence of external noise, you might begin to hear the subtle sounds of the night, the gentle sigh of the wind as it brushes against the stone walls, the distant call of an owl, the soft rustle of leaves in the trees outside. These are the lullabies of the natural world, sounds that have soothed countless souls to sleep for centuries. Let these sounds wash over you, becoming part of the fabric of your relaxation. They are not interruptions. They are simply part of the peaceful symphony of the night. Let's consider the concept of letting go. In this chapel, time seems to move differently. The urgency of the day fades away. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, and no one you need to be other than who you are in this moment. Give yourself permission to release your to-do lists, your worries about tomorrow, and your replays of yesterday. Imagine placing each of these thoughts into a small wooden box. As you place each one inside, feel its weight leave your mind. Now close the lid of the box. You can pick it up again in the morning if you wish, but for now, it is set aside. Your mind is clear, open, and ready for rest. Think about the light in this chapel. The moonlight is soft and diffused, not harsh or direct. It illuminates without exposing, creating a gentle contrast of light and shadow. This is the kind of light that encourages rest. It signals to our bodies that the day is over, and it is time for the restorative darkness of night. Allow your mind to embrace this gentle darkness behind your closed eyes. It is a safe and comforting space, a void from which dreams can emerge. It is the canvas for your subconscious mind. As you drift closer to sleep, you may find that your thoughts become more fluid, less linear. They might float by like clouds in the night sky. This is a natural part of the transition into sleep. Don't try to grasp onto them or analyze them. Simply observe them as they come and go, without judgment. They are like echoes in the vastness of this old chapel, fading into the quiet. You are the silent observer, resting peacefully at the center of it all. Your breathing is now very slow, very deep, and very regular. Each breath draws you deeper into relaxation. Each exhale carries you further away from wakefulness. You are floating on a calm, quiet sea. The gentle rhythm of your breath is the tide, carrying you effortlessly towards the shores of sleep. There is no effort required. Your body knows what to do. Your mind is ready to surrender. In this sacred space, you are free. Free from expectation, free from pressure, free from the noise of the world. You are simply a being at rest, recharging your energy, healing your body, and calming your spirit. This time is yours and yours alone. Cherish it. Embrace the stillness. Embrace the peace. The old stone walls of this chapel hold you in a safe embrace. The moonlight watches over you. The silence sings you a lullaby. Allow yourself to drift now. Let go of your focus on my voice. Let go of your focus on your breath. Let go of everything. Simply be. Allow the gentle current of sleep to take you. It is a peaceful journey into a world of dreams and restoration. Rest well, sleep deeply, and know that you are in a safe and peaceful place. Good night.